Am I audible, Sandeep?
Yes, please start.
So
Start.
this was the route of my journey from India to Antarctic. The basic purpose for going Antarctica adventure. I was appointed as a station surgeon, and side by side I have to do some scientific studies like measuring the physiological parameters in the station uh, members. So the Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and the windiest place in the world.
Ready? Ready.
It amounts around the land mass equal to the India and China. So, as you are seeing in the map, this is our Maitri station. Our Maitri station was commissioned in 1989. Before that, our station Gangotri was established in 1983, and the team leader was S.Z. Kashim. And it was established in 1984. And at present, India has two permanent stations in Antarctica. That is Maitri at Chirmakar Oasis and
Antarctica
Bharati, which is commissioned in 2000
huh?
in Lasman Hill. The Gangotri, Dakshin Gangotri, the station was sunk in the ice in 1989. So these are the various stations in Antarctica. Around 45 countries contribute these stations, and there are approximately 85 stations in Antarctica. And Maitri has at present two permanent stations, that is Maitri and Bharati. And the station at the South Pole, bang on the South Pole, is the Emerson Scott, which is owned by America. This is geographical map of Antarctica, which shows the trans-Antarctic mountain ranges, and it contains the mountain like Erebus, which has live volcano at present. So my journey started from the National Center of Antarctic and Ocean Research, which is in the Vasco da Gama, Goa. For that, I have applied for the interview. Around 100 participants all over India came there for interview from armed forces, from central government, from state government. And I was fortunate enough that they selected me. So after selection, every member has to go to the pre-acclimatization training. For that, they send us to ITBP, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, which is situated in Auli, Joshimath, Uttarakhand. This is the team ITBP, under which we took pre-acclimatization training. The training was hard. They used to wake us up early in the morning at 5:30. Around 6:30, we used to go for jogging with rucksack on the shoulders. They trained us for rock climbing, for ice trek. This is nice Nanda Parvat, which was beautiful to see in the morning, but in the evening, it was like a burning mountain. This is Nandavan. During pre-acclimatization training, we got the blessing of Badrinatha and which is a temple and one of the Jyotirlinga. This is my trophy. They awarded me with the best training award. Launching ceremony. This was my 26th hour. This is Mr. Rasik, Ranjan, PS Goyal, and all. They will launch the training. During launching, they taught us how to fight fire. So our ship, Emerald Sea, through which the voyage started. Hello. On. पण ते इंटरनेट कनेक्शन हे असेल कदाचित. So this is our ship Emerald Sea. The crew member of Emerald Sea was Russian. Our journey started at Vasco da Gama. The loading of the required material for Antarctic expedition was carried out. Our journey started on 10th of January 2007. After 9 to 10 days of journey, we reached Mauritius. The purpose of going to Mauritius was that our ship, the Emerald Sea, whose ice-breaking propellers were not working properly. So we have to fix the ice-breaking propeller in clear sea. So they took us to Mauritius. These are the ice-breaking propellers which are used to break the ice sheets when you reach Antarctica. These are the huge ones, really huge one. These are the bolts used to fix plates. So they tried to fix these ice-breaking propellers in the sea, clear sea. The Mauritian Sea is supposed to be clear sea. These are the Philippines divers. They tried their level best to fix the propellers, but they can't. This is beautiful Mauritius beach. We stay in Mauritius for 4 days. This is Mauritius. Extinct volcano at Mauritius. So this is the view of Emerald Sea through my cabin window. So when it was impossible to fix this ice-breaking propeller in Mauritius, they took us to Durban, where the dry jetty is there. The part of ship is kept in the dry position and they fix the ice-breaking propeller. During that time, we stayed in Durban for around 3 to 4 days. We visited the botanical garden in Durban, the zoological garden, and the St. Petersburg, where the Gandhiji was expelled in 1893. Then after fixing the ice-breaking propeller, our journey started and our ship headed to the Antarctic. These are the beautiful icebergs. They are kilometer long, many kilometers long. So when we reached the Bay of Indian Bay at Antarctica, penguins were welcoming us. So the Emerald Sea at the Bay of Antarctic. These are the ice sheets which have to fix. So our station is 100 kilometers away from the Indian Bay. So they took us through these helicopter sorties. This is the aerial view of our Priyadarshini Lake and our station. This is our station, the Maitri station. At winter, 24 members stay here, and the summer members, the strength is 80. They return back to country during summer time only. This is our winter team. This is our leader, Jaipal D. Colonel. Our team contains the members from armed forces and from the various scientific organizations like India Meteorology Department, Geological Survey of India, National Physical Laboratory, Survey of India, DRDO, ISRO. They carry their various scientific exercises. This is a lifeline for Maitri, that is duct line, which connects this is a frozen Priyadarshini Lake that connects the Priyadarshini Lake to our station. This is helipad. This is backside of our station. This is post blizzard view of Maitri station. Blizzard, when there is a snowstorm, the velocity more than 40 kilometers per hour, every member has to carry out the duties, basic duties in the Maitri station. They have to clean the station, they have to clean their rooms, they have to clean their own utensils. Even the excreta cannot be thrown away. This is burned to ashes. This is the vehicle that we used to travel nearby station, that is Piston Bully. This is the generator room. There are 4 to 5 generator rooms and they have given various names. This is Aditya 2 and everyone's job is to keep the generator room very tidy, take proper readings of the temperature. This is inauguration of convoy. Convoy was basically for carrying the fuel which is carried with the ship and at the Indian Bay. This is a team convoy carrying fuel. The fuel which is used in Antarctica is aviation turbine fuel. They are refueling the repairing the Piston Bully. This is post blizzard picture. Whole the Piston Bullies are covered with the snow. So we have to travel on GPS reading. Usually this convoy starts in the midwinter only because the ice is not molten and this heavy vehicle can travel over the ice sheets. This is night view of convoy. This is Nova, the Russian station. It is 5 kilometers away from our station. This is my colleague Nias. Russian leader and members. This is Blizzard.
Ganesh, you have 5 minutes more, huh?
Yeah.
10 minutes more, 10 minutes.
Yeah. This is Aurora. This is also called as Aurora Australis. This is Shivling, which is constructed in Antarctica and in front of our station Maitri. Aurora is basically the phenomena due to which the magnetic storm enter through the South Pole and it imparts various color in the atmosphere. And green color, I think it usually oxygen. These are the caves. They named after God Ganesha. These are icicles. Huge icebergs. The climate and the weather in Antarctica is so clear that you can visualize icebergs as far as 100 kilometers. Penguins, very benign. Penguin eats, these are the krills on which penguins survive. This is summer photograph and the outside temperature was -8 degrees Celsius. We acclimatized to that. In my presentation, the few photographs are taken by my colleagues and I have taken with their permission. This is Mountus erubius, skua, another bird. This skua eats penguins, eggs, and penguin. They are carnivorous. They are like eagle. They are snow petrels, seals. Seals are usually seen in the Indian Bay at the shore. This was the whale. It is not at the bay. It was in mid sea. It was huge. I will show some beautiful skies. Aurora. Traveling through the ice sheets. This weathering of mountains and stones are due to very high storms. They are also called vent effect. We came back through this flight, that is Antarctica Logistics Center International, and we usually use the airstrip, that is Russian airstrip. Our team members. This is Shastrugi. This is called Shastrugi. These are molten waves. Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep.
A very nice presentation by Dr. Ganesh Chaudhary. Now I am inviting Dr. Abhijit Shinde for delivering vote of thanks.
On the behalf of Social Cell of DVPF's Medical College, I am very thankful to our Secretary General, Dr. B. Sadananda sir, and Deputy Director, Dr. Abhijit Duty sir, for their guidance. And I am thankful to the Dean sir for his constant support. I am thankful to the Dr. Ganesh Chaudhary for his valuable time and giving a lecture about adventurous journey as a medical field officer in Antarctica. Thank you, sir. Thank you to the all participants for their patiently listening. Thank you.
If anyone has any question, please ask. We have 5 minutes more. If anybody wants to ask any question, please ask it. Yes? Any question from participant? Yes, Sarah? Shruti?
No, sir. No, sir.
Any question? Okay, thank you very much.